Hi and welcome back to another plan with me. This week I'll be planning from May the 29th to June the 4th. The kit I am using is this Rainbow Planner Girl kit from YourWorldOfColour. I do PR for YourWorldOfColour, so if you use code CAS10 you will get 10% off your order, and if you mention me at checkout then you will get my sampler freebie, which I will try and add to the screen now. I am going to pull in some silver foil from Laura's Sticker Co. So I have some confetti headers, some confetti washi overlays, and I have the bottom overlays, and then I'm also going to pull in some of this silver foil underlay overlay tape from Harriet Wright Designs. So I'm going to speed through placing down the kit and I'll be back to do the day by day. So I've placed all my base down and I've used this beautiful silver foil elements. So I will now get on to the day by day. So for Monday it was a bank holiday. I will try and say where all these stickers are from. And then as usual we mark Coffee Monday, so I'm going to use this coffee cup from the kit, as well as a Coffee Monday script from Planner Face, I believe that's from. Then I shared my spreads on Instagram, and that planner is from, it's either from Little Thought Store or it's from Happy Bees, one of the two. Then I filmed my kit lineup and my June base. So I did end up spending the evening just having a TV binge. My plan with me went up this day as well. Sorry, all three of these are from Planner Face. I also did a bit of decluttering with my stickers and some other bits that I have in my room. So dinner this day we had a lovely chicken pasta. What else have we got? I watched the new Little Mermaid film. This is a Once More with Love or Coffee Monsters Co. sticker. One of the two, I always get them mixed up. And then lastly, I had a Plan With Me binge. So that's everything for Tuesday. Moving on to Wednesday, it was my mum's birthday, so I have this presents sticker from Stick It Pretty, I think the shop's called, and then I have a happy birthday script. I'm not sure where that is from though. I then had some Happy Mail, which was some more stuff from Facebook D-stashes. Happy Mail sticker is from Planner Face, and the little washies are from Cute Stickers Only. I then did a bit of my monthly. So this is from Little Thoughts Store, and I think the script is from Cute Stickers Only. Then, because I didn't sleep well Tuesday night, I did have a little nap. Then my monthly sticker haul for May, the part 2, went live this night. And then for the rest of the evening, I just had a TV binge. And again, I forgot to mention where stickers are from. This is Happy Bees, Planner Face, Little Thought. So that is the first half of the week all done. Moving on to Thursday, I've decided to use this half box to mark Happy Pride because it's the 1st of June, so it is Pride Month. I've used the balloons from Planner Face. I had a early start this day, so I'm just using this bunny sticker from Little Thoughts Store. I had some Happy Mail. I can't remember what my Happy Mail was on Thursday. Oh, it was some of my kits I'd ordered from Strawberry Lime Design. Then went food shopping. I'm sorry if a fly keeps coming past. There is a blue bottle in my room and it just will not go away. Both of these stickers are from Planner Face. And then this day I did put up my June kit lineup, and then I spent the evening catching up on Riverdale. We'll keep that box for there because I haven't put the sticker down. I've then put up my kit lineup on, can't even remember what I was going to say now. I've put my kit lineup on Instagram. Lastly, on to Sunday, I did some planning, which I've not got the sticker for, surprise. We had a roast dinner. I posted some pictures of my monthly planner spread. I did my voiceover and some other bits, and then lastly I had a YouTube binge. And that is the last half of the week done. I'm sorry this has just been a bit hectic, me forgetting stickers, but this is my spread. You'll see obviously the finished portion on my Instagram, which is linked below, of it all filled in. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yes, I will see you in my next one.